Backlog. The term backlog refers to a buildup or accumulation of unfinished tasks or work that needs to be completed. It is commonly used in various contexts, such as business, project management, and personal tasks. When there is a backlog, it means that there is a list of pending items that have not been addressed or resolved yet. Here are a few examples to illustrate the usage of backlog. 1. Business context. In a manufacturing company, if there is a delay in the production process, it can lead to a backlog of orders. This means that there are more orders waiting to be fulfilled than the company can currently handle. For instance, if a company receives 100 orders per day but can only produce 50 units, there will be a backlog of 50 units that need to be manufactured to catch up with the demand. 2. Project management context. In software development, a backlog is often used to manage the list of tasks or features that need to be implemented in a product. This list is called a product backlog. The backlog helps the development team prioritize and plan their work. For example, if a software development team is working on a mobile app, the product backlog may include tasks like designing the user interface, implementing new features, fixing bugs, and improving performance. 3. Personal tasks context. In our daily lives, we may also encounter backlogs of personal tasks or chores that need to be done. For instance, if you have a busy week and don't have time to do laundry, clean the house, or pay bills, these tasks will accumulate and create a backlog. It means that you have a list of pending tasks that you need to catch up on when you have the time. Overall, backlog refers to a collection of unfinished tasks or work that needs to be addressed. It is a commonly used term in various contexts to describe the accumulation of pending items.